Easy over the ease of the ease of the ease. Okay, let me put my board so well. Okay. So the first question here says it is negative 49. Negative 49 is more the bottom. Negative 49. And then divide 7. Level 7. And then times 3. And then times 3. And the bracket. Negative 8. And the bracket again. And then divide by 4. Plus bracket 6 times 3. Good. Minus 21. Divide by 3. Okay. So there's something is over there. There's something easy stuff. Let me explain to you how we do that easy stuff that I'm talking about. Okay, look. If you have this, okay, there's a little song that you can memorize. You can say board mass. Just memorize this board mass. So if you have a numbers and there's a lot of sign like here, division, multiply, minus, division, multiply, everything. So what you do, just memorize this one. Board mass. B for bracket. So B stands for bracket. So you always have to start with the bracket, and then you go for division, and then you go to multiplication, then you go to addition, then you go to subtraction. So you memorize. Now you go, do you have any brackets here? Oh yes. So I have to start with the bracket. Zoom right there. Can you see me? If you can't, so you don't understand it, okay? So we want to start with the bracket first. What is the bracket first? Let me start with the inner bracket. This is the first bracket and this second bracket. So let's not do the outer one. Let's start with the inner bracket. So negative 49, everything is going to stay the same. Only I'm going to replace with the bracket. Okay, now we go. 3 times negative 8. Because whenever you have a, let's say somebody give it 3 and then negative 8. Whenever there's a bracket, it means it's multiplication. Bracket meaning multiplication or times. Now we go. 3 times negative 8 is negative 20. Oh, so 3 times negative 8, you have a calculator, you can plug in if you want. 3 times negative 8 equals negative 24. So I'm going to replace all these two with negative 24. Everything else stay in their position. Except this stuff here is going to be negative 24. So I'm going to replace this. And this is just going to be negative 24. Now, we go to another bracket. Only if you start with all the bracket face. Now, 6 times 3. 6 times 3 equals to 18. So I want to replace all this stuff and say this is going to be 18 now. This is going to be 18 now. The first base is going to be equal to 18. Now we go, do you have more bracket? Oh, yes. Which other bracket? This one here means I have to deal with everything inside the bracket. But inside of this bracket, there's some things here inside. There's another sign we have. What is that sign? I must start with the division first. If I have. So I'm supposed to work on the bracket, but in the bracket inside, we have these things of division, multiplication, whatever. Now we go. But should I start with the division or multiplication? Come here. Bracket, division, so we have to start with division if we have. You have a division? Oh, yes. Negative 49 divided by 7. Okay, so negative 49 divided by 7. If you put in the calculator, this is going to give you negative 7. Negative 7. So I want to remove all these two and then I'll put negative 7. All these two will be what? Negative 7. Now I have a negative 7 because now it's only this. Division and multiplication. What is multiplication? Negative 7 times negative 24. So negative 7 times negative 24, you can plug in the calculator. But a negative is going to give us positive. 24 times 7, say 24 times 7, you plug in the calculator. 7 times 4 equals 28. We're going to write 8 and then go to page 2 equals 28. 7 times 2, 14. And these 2, 16. So all this stuff here, negative will be all of it. 16, 8. 1, 6, 8. Divide. 4, 4. Plus 18. And then, okay, we say you have to memorize the song. What's board mass? Let's memorize here. Board mass. Okay. Okay. Just make a space here. Not problem, sorry. I think the other student is calling up. Okay, let me just pick up in. Hey. Say it again. No, it's not late. I can add you. We started now. So what I'm gonna do, man? Send me message quickly so I can add you because I don't know your Skype name. So send me. You see the Skype name, which I share with you. Send me message. You know how to send message? You don't know. Okay, send me message. Or if you have a problem, let me know, and then I'll see what I can. Just make quick. Okay. Okay, sure. Let's just wait for her. Okay. I hope you don't mind that. So we can let's just finish up and then we should come over here. So now 18 minus 21 divided by 3. Now we go. Now, do you have a division still? Oh yeah, there's a more division. So let's deal with those divisions. Now, 21 divided by 3. 21 divided by 3 equals to 7. 168 divided by 4. Okay, let's start division. 168 divided by 4. Do you have a calculator I can plug it in? Or I can say, look, 168 divided by 4. How many 4 is 16? Yeah, 4. How many 48? 2. So all is capital for 2. Plus is plus 18. Now we come minus. 21 divided by 3. Why do I divide? Because I must divide before going to multiplication and addition. Now we go. 21 divided by 3 equals to 7. So what I'm left with, do I have multiplication? No multiplication. Now, addition, oh yes. For 8 divided by 8, for 8 plus 18 equals 16. So this is going to be 16. And then minus 7. 6 minus 7. Zungu, what is 60 minus 7?
Is 53.
53. So
53.
Yes, and that's what the final answer. But in exam, since you're going to be using calculator, you don't have to waste all this time. What you do, you plug in a calculator exactly what you have. Do you have a calculator, Zungu? Or you don't have?
Yes, I have.
Okay. Now, I'm going to write down the same question to see how if you're going to, you plug exactly how it is in the calculator, and then you give me final answer. I'm going to write that in this question. While we're waiting for that assessment to come, yeah, I think she sent me a message. Let me accept it and add hiding book. Oh, no, she's not here yet. Okay. So what I'm going to do, let me tell me, I think she sent me maybe SMS, you see? Is this your message you sent to me?
Yeah.
So your data just ran away like this?
Yes, I have.
Zungo, look, next time,
Now.
no, next time you ask me, and then I can advise, hey, because this is so much, okay, 100 rand is a lot for this. This you can pay on a 30 rand or 20 rand for what you bought. Okay, so what you mean to say you prepared for tomorrow? Please let me know, so I know. Huh? I'm just listening. I'm just waiting for this other student to come. Okay, plug in a calculator. Let me give you a question, and then you can plug in the calculator and see if you get the right one. Okay. What time is okay? Okay, bracket. You get 49 divided by 7 times 3. Can you see? Zungu, can you see? Zungu? Can you see?